think you should deny.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back again with me. I'm Siti Umaira. I have an assignment to make pronunciation practice about SES sounds for plural nouns. Now I will give 5 examples of SES sounds plural for plural nouns. Check it out, guys. Okay guys, now I will give example of SES sounds for plural nouns. The first we have knife become knives. Knife become knives. And house become houses. House become houses. And then we have dress become dresses. Dress become dresses. And then we have toy. Toy become toys. Toy become toys. And the last we have door. Door become doors. Door become doors. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.